Have you ever wondered how hackers can bypass KYC verification by faking the phone camera and setting any fake videos they want to show up? In this session, we're going to delve into the advanced technique of faking an Android phone's camera using OBS Studio Streaming Flow, or what they call RTMP streaming flow. Whether you're looking to stream live via OBS or leverage pre-recorded content from your gallery, this guide will equip you with the skills and tools you need. Before we begin, let's ensure your setup is optimized for success. First, your device must be rooted and running Android 9 or higher. And for the best performance and compatibility, I recommend using a Xiaomi or Google device, though this method is versatile enough to work across various models. If you don't have access to a physical device, consider using BlueStacks 5 Android 11 with root access and the latest Android version available. So let's proceed with the computer setup. On our computer, you'll need to install the following tools. First, OBS Studio. And ensure you download the latest version from the official site obsproject.com. OBS is the cornerstone of our streaming setup. SRS, or Simple Real-Time Server. It's available on GitHub. SRS is a powerful tool for achieving high-quality streaming with minimal latency, and it will help us to create the RTMP flow on OBS. FFmpeg, or Fast Forward Moving Picture Experts Group, a critical component for enhancing stream quality and ensuring smooth video processing. Be sure to install it and configure your system path accordingly, as we will do. Next, let's focus on your Android device. You'll need to download and install the following from GitHub. On our phone, you'll need to install the following tools. Magisk Delta, the go-to tool for managing root access and system modifications. lspose. Version 1.8.6. Sharmiko. Version 0.6. SafetyNet Fix. Version 2.4.0. And lastly, our VirtuCam application.
Disclaimer.
This video is for educational purposes only. VirtuCam should be used legally and responsibly. We are not liable for any damages, data loss, or legal issues arising from its use. By using VirtuCam, you accept full responsibility for your actions. Now, let's move on to configuring your PC for streaming. 1. Installing OBS Studio. Go to obsproject.com and then select the version that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. For me, it's Windows. And after installing, it will look like this. Secondly, downloading and configuring FFmpeg. Go to ffmpeg.org and navigate to the download section. Select the appropriate version for your operating system. If you're on Windows, choose Windows Builds by BTBN. Will takes you directly to GitHub, and then download this zip file. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file and navigate to the bin directory within it. Copy the path of the bin directory containing the 3 essential FFmpeg files. Create a file in your desired location, such as the local C drive, and then copy the 3 files to that location. Search for Environment Variables in your Windows search bar and select Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click on Environment Variables. Locate and select Path, then click Edit. Click New, paste the copied path of the FFmpeg bin directory, and then click OK. This will ensure that FFmpeg is available globally on your system, enhancing your streaming capabilities with OBS Studio. To verify that FFmpeg has been successfully installed and added to the Windows environment path, search for CMD, run it as an administrator, and then enter the following command. And as you can see, it has been added successfully. Thirdly, downloading and setting up SRS, Simple Real-Time Server, tool. Search for Simple Real-Time Server in your browser. Visit the official website. Navigate to the Releases section. And scroll down to the bottom. Download the Windows version, SRS, Windows x86_64-5.0, R1, setup.exe. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the installation prompts. After installation, launch the SRS software and ensure it remains running in the background. This is a secure, open-source tool, ensuring there's no cause for concern. Fourthly, creating the stream flow. Ensure that the SRS tool is running in the background, as failure to do so may result in issues with maintaining a smooth stream flow. Open Command Prompt, CMD, and type this command. Then copy your local IP address from the results. Launch OBS Studio. And then go to Settings. Select Stream. And choose Custom as the service. In the service, write the command. In my case, will looks like this. In the stream key field, create a simple password. For instance, using the above IP example, you might set the stream key as 123, making the full stream URL looks like this in my case with my own local IP. Next, initiate the stream by clicking on Start Streaming. This finalizes the stream flow setup on your PC. And as you can see, the flow has been successfully established. With the PC setup complete and the RTMP flow successfully established, we can now move on to configuring the phone. As previously mentioned, your phone must be rooted. You can easily find tutorials and videos on how to root a phone by searching online or on YouTube. For this demonstration, I'll be using a rooted BlueStacks emulator running Android 11. For instructions on successfully rooting a BlueStacks emulator, visit the Telegram channel of the VirtuCam application provided in the link. In my case, I will open the BlueStacks Multi-Instance Manager to select the rooted emulator. The same steps can be followed with any rooted real device or emulator. To ensure successful rooting, install the Root Checker app from the Play Store. As shown here, my emulator is rooted. After making sure everything is well, go to Chrome or any browser you have and search for Sharmico. Open the GitHub and download the latest version. In my case, I will download version 0.6. And then download the zip file. After it's completed, search again for Safety.net fix. And choose again the GitHub site. In that one, download the zip file of the latest version available. After it's completed, search again for Iceboast. And choose again the GitHub URL. In that one, download the zip file of the latest version available. In my case, I will use version 1.8.6. Make sure to download the one with Sygisk. Once all the files have been successfully downloaded, open Magisk Delta. You can find the version I'm using in our channel if you want to use the same one. Next, go to the settings and ensure the following options are activated. After that, navigate to the Modules section and install the files we've downloaded by following these steps. Now, you must reboot your phone to apply the changes. And as you see here, everything is set up successfully. Now move on to our Telegram channel and download the VirtuCam application. After it's completed, move it to your emulator in case you are using an emulator, or just download it normally in case you have a real phone. And as you see here, Iceboast detect our application. Now open VirtuCam application and enter your activation key. I've shared some free keys, give it a try and see if you can snag one. If you're not lucky this time, you can find pricing details in the channel. After the application get activated, you will see this interface. Open OBS and copy your RTMP URL link. And make sure to activate the Advanced option under the Output settings. I forgot to mention this earlier. And then click Apply. Choose the video or picture you want to display. Open the SRS tool and run it in the background. Finally, start the stream. Now, go to the app and paste the RTMP link here. After that, save it. Then, click on the Review Stream button to check if your URL is working and ensure the stream is successfully set up. And as you can see here, everything is as it should be. Now, after you've set up the flow from OBS, make sure to activate these buttons. Next, move to LS Post, which you can find on your Windows phone. Open the app and go to the Models option. There you will find our application Watching You. Enable the modules and choose where you want to use the VirtuCam application. In my case, I use it with the camera app, but you can select any other platform, such as Zoom, TikTok, or any other application that uses the phone's camera. After completing all these steps, open the app you selected in LS Post. For me, it's the default camera app. And just like that, boom! As you can see, we've successfully spoofed the phone's camera, allowing us to display anything we want in place of what the real camera would capture. By that you can replace the camera with videos or pictures or whatever you want. And with low RAM and connection like me here, you will get 4-second delay. It will be 1-second delay in case you have a good RAM and a good Wi-Fi connection. And as you see here, the same thing with pictures. And with that, we've successfully completed the full tutorial on faking an Android phone camera using the VirtuCam application. In the next video, I'll show you how to achieve the same result using only local videos on your phone, in case you don't have access to a PC. So, be sure to subscribe and join us in our Telegram channel to get your key. Link in the description below.